With the passage of every single year, the melting of polar caps is getting faster, and so are technological advancements. In the crux of such developments stands an arguably effective but ethically evil solution called geoengineering, that is, using technology for battling climate change.
Now, albedo enhancers are being developed to tackle increased greenhouse concentrations. It seems to be perfect quick fix to climate, but moral hazards stand. It raises a substantial ethical quandary, suggesting a preference for leveraging the same advancements to sidestep abatement measures rather than actively working towards their reduction.
Picture a world where countries like China don't have enough water. They try big projects to change the weather, especially using something called cloud seeding. But these projects also bring a lot of concerns. Picture the introduction of seeding agents into the air, raising concerns about the air we breathe and the quality of our water resources, potentially harming aquatic life. As precipitation patterns shift, our delicate ecosystems face unintended consequences affecting local plants, soil health, and the homes of our wildlife.
Downstream communities might find themselves in a water dilemma, leading to disputes over the resources we all share. The uncertainty of the long-term effects keeps us on our toes, triggering debates on what's ethical, social, responsible, and how to regulate these initiatives. While the promise of addressing water scarcity is alluring, the downsides emphasize the need for careful, open, and globally cooperative approaches to guide these projects into sustainable future.
Albedo enhancers validate the theory of geoengineering by putting reflective particles into the upper atmosphere, which volcanoes in fact already do. Also, merely knowing that geoengineering exists as an option, government may resist cutting emissions and taking down abatement measures.
Unilateral geoengineering may stand as an ethically irresponsible behavior and may pose threat to the economy of other countries by changing river flows, precipitation patterns, and affecting tourism, agriculture, and trade. May turn out to be a soft warfare technique in future.
Artificial interference in the climate system may be seen as hubristic, playing God or messing with nature, which is considered to be ethically and morally unacceptable. However, moderate geoengineering by nations could be useful to seal billions against a sudden climate emergency.
However, one nation's emergency can be another's opportunity. This raises the question if the process is ethical at all. Firstly, we believe indoor experimentation, which has no potential risks, should be encouraged, and such scientific curiosities should be funded by the governments.
However, the problem lies with outdoor geoengineering, where the lives of masses can be put into risk, as no human solution is completely error-free and may cause irreversible climate changes.
It stands as a moral hazard as it dampens the very willingness among humans to take responsible abatement measures by standing as an assurance for humans to carry on business as usual.
In conclusion, we believe that outdoor geoengineering is not ethical as unregulated emissions into the atmosphere can cause geopolitical conflicts. Additionally, we'll also need to develop international governance to look after geoengineering activities, which will ensure they do not adhere to unethical measures while safeguarding the environment. The government should invest more on abatement measures, which will act as a long-term ethical solution for generations to come.
However, curiosity-driven indoor geoengineering research should be encouraged as it can produce new information regarding climate and help develop mechanisms to be used in sudden climate emergencies and save billions. Therefore, it becomes a responsibility to encourage ethical and sustainable practices that prioritize the health and well-being of the planet.